So the major specializations that you have are finance, marketing, operations, HR, strategy, IT, and so on. But three important things to remember are, for most of you, right, if you're going for the PGP program, the flagship program, your first year is going to be a general MBA where you'll from all of these areas, and you're going to decide your specialization only by the end of your first year. So by that time, you would have had all of these courses, you would have had academic projects, life projects, industry interaction, your summer placements would be done, and all of these will help you understand what is the area that you like and what are you good at. Second, most IIMs these days are not even mentioning the specialization in your CV or in your mark sheet, because that way you're open to all placements. So it's not like only if you've taken up finance courses are you eligible if a bank comes up, right? And third, even if it's a case where you've taken up finance and you're working in a bank, to continue with my example, it's not that you're only going to do fin stuff. So I've worked at HSBC Bank and Standard Chartered Bank, for example, but because I've been on the corporate banking, transaction banking side, and I've interacted with a lot of MNC clients, along with the finance part, there's been a lot of what you would call B2B sales, maybe a little bit of consulting, because we recommend solutions to the clients and so on. So you will always probably be using what you've learned across different specializations. What I would recommend is, yes, if you are very, very keen saying, oh, you know what, I'm great at number crunching and I know that finance is the way to go, or I'm creative and I'm very interested in marketing, or I've done something in marketing and I love it, or you know what, I won the big bucks and that's why I want to get into consulting. The idea of having different projects, different companies, traveling to different places is something that excites me. Go in with that mindset. But for a lot of us, especially if we are not coming for the commerce background, we might not know too much about these, and that's perfectly fine. All you need to focus on right now is cracking the CAT exam or another top MBA entrance test and getting into a top B school. And then the rest of it, there's going to be a lot to guide you. Now, if you still want to know more about these areas, so what do you study in finance, in marketing, how do you become a consultant and so on, we do have a series of videos where I've explained all of these different areas. What are the subjects, what are the roles, which institutes are good, what are your career prospects and so on. So I'll link that for you in the description so that you can check that out next. All the best for CAT 2024.